Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the Heart and Soil Whole Package, a male-focused supplement that combines beef organs specifically for energy, testosterone support, and libido. We tested it consistently, and here's what we found. The whole package includes liver, heart, testicle, blood, and bone marrow, all freeze-dried into capsules. After consistent use, we noticed improved stamina during workouts, more stable energy during the day, and a boost in mood and vitality. While the libido claims are hard to measure objectively, we did feel more overall drive and motivation. The pros are that it's nutrient rich, supports men's health naturally, and avoids synthetic testosterone boosters. The cons are that it's expensive for daily use. It requires consistency to feel benefits, and not everyone will be comfortable with organ based supplements. Overall, the Heart and Soil Whole package feels legit for men looking for natural vitality support. It's not magic, but it's not a scam either. It's a nutrient dense supplement that can be a great addition if you're committed to natural health. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam free.